families and friends, this is Miss Brittany J here, and today I'm going to share with you a fun activity that you could do with your kiddos when you're helping them learn about the natural sciences, life sciences. So today, the activity, we do this in class all of the time when we start exposing them to the natural and nature sciences. It's just labeling parts of a plant. So it's okay if you don't have a house plant. These are the things you're going to need. A plant, if you have a house plant, or you could even simply just draw a picture of a plant, or go on a walk, go in your front yard, have your kiddo sit down by the flowers and just observe them, have them using descriptive words, having them tell you what they see, what the plant feels like. There's so many different teachable moments when doing this activity with your kiddo. So let's get started. So I just went outside and I picked this out of my garden. It's just a cute little purple flower, and I have the leaves here. I have the flower petals, the stem, and I didn't plant it in the dirt all the way just so I could show you the roots. So basically, if you have a magnifying glass at home, that's awesome. If you don't, that's okay. Just have your kid take some time, look over the plant, explore it. And then when you're done, making sure that when you're having these conversations with your kids, you're talking about the basic concept of what a plant needs in order to grow. So such as water, sunlight, and air. And then when you're done talking about that with your kiddo, you could do a parts of a plant activity. So I went ahead and just any type of paper, it doesn't have to be white paper, you just draw the different parts of the flower, just the basic parts, the petal, the stem, the leaf, the roots. I have a word bank down here. Typically we do an activity like this at school where they have a word bank. And then they refer to our discussion during circle time about the different parts of a plant. Then using their knowledge that they learn from our discussion, they'll sit down and they'll complete this activity. So typically they have a word bank, and I'll go over and I'll show them an example of what is to be expected, and then they'll go through and they'll label each parts of the plant. So they're not, this activity here touches on so many of the STEAM related activities that we incorporate into our everyday curriculum. So here they're not only, have them draw their flower, they're working on their fine motor skills with that pencil grip, letter recognition, phonics, phonemes, learning, building their vocabulary, learning new words. But it's a great, super fun activity. Everybody could do this at home. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.